how to keep your funded account with a prop firm. For those who don't know, I'm currently funded by FTMO, and I'm also looking to get funded by the other prop firm companies, not all of them, maybe two more. The prop trading and the funding talent are at the top of my list right now. But in this video, I want to talk to you guys about how you can actually maintain your funded account once you get to that stage. So you got your funded account, you've passed the challenge, the first phase, the second phase, you're excited. Now it's time to start trading real money and actually making an income from this. So first of all, the first thing you want to do is account protection. You have to treat the money like it's yours. You can't really afford to mess up, because if you do mess up, you might have to start all over again, and that's a process that might be a little bit painful. So it's better you are disciplined from the get-go and avoid losing this account. At least get your first payment before you lose this account. But if you are really excited from the beginning, you might want to find a balance, because too much excitement can cause you to overtrade and blow this actual account. So you want to watch out for your emotions and everything from the beginning before you make your decision, so that you have a balance and you are almost neutral when you're trading this account, so that you can get the best profit possible, and you're able to maintain this account. So another thing I want to share with you guys is the drawdown. Don't get discouraged if you start off with a drawdown. Just work on recovering the drawdown first, and after working on recovering the drawdown, you can focus on making profits. It's a funded account, guys. It's not a challenge. It's not, you don't have any profit target anymore. So that's a good thing. Even if you make $1,000 on $100,000 account, you still get to go home with 700. Even if all you make is 10%, you've done it before. You've made 10% on a challenge. So, and some of you probably did it in 10 days, 20 days. Imagine you do that in 30 days and all you made is 10%. That's $10,000 profit, and you get to go home with $7,000. I'm sure you probably haven't made that money before, so making $7,000 a month is not a bad thing. It is good. $7,000 is way more than an average household income in a month in the United States, Canada, or the UK. So it's really a great income for a month. And if you can do that for 12 months, how much will you have? Just think about that. So it's very important to be patient and work on being consistent with your profit. And after that, you can maybe focus on building your own personal account or reaching out to accredited investors by showing them your portfolio. But what's very important at this stage that you're in as a funded trader from the beginning is working on keeping this account. Keeping it is much more important than actually trying to break a profit record or anything like that. Just know yourself, know what your weaknesses are, what your strengths are, and try as much as possible. Do all you can to keep this account and grow it from there. If you find yourself in a drawdown, you might want to take a day off or 2 days off, because you have a whole month with this account for your profit split. And if you don't make any profit during your first month, you can wait for the next month to get your profit split. So there's really no rush here. If you don't make any money during your first month, they're not going to take the account from you. Just wait for another month, and if that month you don't make anything, wait for the third month. So it's with you. The account is with you for as long as you can keep following the rules. So just keep following the rules and trading like you have some sense and you get to keep this account for as long as possible. So there's no rush. There's no need to rush. You've worked really hard to make it this far, and I would really recommend you relax, take a deep breath, thank God for making it this far, and just trade professionally for as long as possible. And while you're doing that, make sure you're putting some money aside for your own funded account, because anything can happen, guys. Anything can happen. You can lose this account anytime if you are not disciplined. But if that happens, at least you already have some money put aside to build your own personal account and maintain your way of life. You can actually withdraw from your own account if you already have that going on, because you set it up. So always think of backup. And if you have enough money, you can take the challenge one more time, but try as much as possible, at least make one withdrawal. make one withdrawal so at least you can get your money back, because that's very important, especially if you failed so many challenges before you make it this far. Make your withdrawal and make all your money back. That's what I can't wait to do with FTMO. I can't wait to make all the money back that I've actually blown on all these failed challenges. So once I make my first withdrawal, at least I've made all my money back, and now I can focus on making extra money for myself. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so and hit that notification button so you don't miss another video from this channel. And please like this video for the YouTube algorithm. It helps a lot. Thank you for watching this video.